Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make halwa, vermicelle halwa. Let's go with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some vermicelle already roasted in the package, condensed milk, yellow food color, green cardamom and cinnamon stick, some dry raisin, some chopped almond, vegetable ghee, and some whole milk liquid. If you don't want to use condensed milk, you can just make your whole milk liquid extra creamy for the better texture. Because here in Canada we don't get normally a lot of milk powder, the full fat milk powder. So this is just the full fat milk liquid, but I want this to be creamier, so I'm adding condensed milk. The milk alone will not give the texture of the creamy halwa. So let's go to the stove and then we're gonna get started. So my ghee is melting, is heating on a medium low. So anytime we add the cardamom, it's split, so I'm gonna add it now before the ghee get too hot. You guys can see that the green cardamom didn't split yet. I'm gonna add the dry raisin. I want this raisin to pull up a little bit. Alright, this is exactly what I'm looking for. Now add the chopped almond for half a minute. Let it cook in this ghee. Add the milk. Together with the condensed milk. I'm gonna add both of them. And now at this point you can turn the heat over medium high. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow food color. You can use saffron if you want to. And now we're gonna let this milk comes to a boil. As the milk is started to boil, add the vermicelle. I have broke them in 2 pieces. And now use a spoon. And we're gonna start mixing. And the heat is still over medium high. Okay, so after 5 minutes, this is what you're looking for. And this is not ready yet, this has to get dry. But at the same time, I did not stop mixing them. Just with a spoon is okay, you don't need a hand whisk. So lower the heat on low, on medium low right now, and then we're gonna keep cooking this until they get all dry. If you are not adding condensed milk, then you have to add sugar. About 1 cup of sugar will be enough for this recipe, and the vermicelle is 2 pack. So written ingredient will be down below. Okay guys, everything was dry, my halwa was dry. I turned the heat off and I removed it from the heat and just leave it on a side so it can, for 5 minutes you will see it won't be stick to each other. As you can see over here, this is exactly how I like it. Just want to show you. This is what you're looking for. It is super moist and fluffy at the same time, and everything is cooked perfectly, and this is exactly what you're looking for in a halwa. Try this recipe, you will love it, especially make it on a Eid day. This is what my mom used to make every Eid day in the morning. You have to have this in her kitchen, and so I followed the same routine every Eid. In the morning I have to make the vermicelle halwa. So I have posted this recipe especially just for you. Go ahead and make it. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.